In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in ClickFunnels. If you're looking to expand your online presence or separate different parts of your business, adding a subdomain can be a great way to do this. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by logging into your ClickFunnels workspace. Open up your browser and head over to the ClickFunnels website. Once you're there, enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure your username and password are correct, or try resetting your password if necessary. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your ClickFunnels dashboard. From here, look towards the left-hand side of the screen to find the workspace settings. This is where you'll manage the different configurations and preferences for your account. Once you locate the workspace settings, click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Domains. This section is specifically for managing the domains associated with your ClickFunnels account, including adding new ones or managing existing ones. Next, you'll want to locate the Add Domain option. This can usually be found as a button or a link on the Domains page. Click on Add Domain, and you'll be presented with various options on how to proceed. Since we're looking to add a subdomain you already have, choose the option labeled Add an Existing Domain. This is important because you're linking a subdomain that's already part of your primary domain. You will now see a prompt to enter your full subdomain. This should be in the format of subnameyourdomain.com. For example, if you're setting up a blog subdomain, you might enter something like blog.yourdomain.com. It's crucial to avoid using www at the beginning of your subdomain, as this can lead to connectivity issues down the line. Go ahead and type your full subdomain into the given field. Double-check for any spelling errors or typos to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered your subdomain, take a moment to review it, and when you're ready, click the Continue button. This will initiate the process for adding the domain within ClickFunnels. The platform may then provide you with further instructions on how to complete the domain setup, including any DNS configurations you might need to adjust with your domain registrar. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subdomain in ClickFunnels, enabling you to direct traffic to different parts of your business through a dedicated channel. Following these steps will align your business's online presence with ClickFunnels' powerful tools, helping you manage your marketing efforts more effectively. If you run into any challenges, feel free to consult ClickFunnels support or revisit this video for guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.